Good evening, everyone. I'm running this evening. I had a very relaxing day today. I did nothing other than just fixing my apartment with cleaning, doing some laundry, some dishing. It was quite nice. I've been away whole last week, and it's nice to settle down at home. But then I cannot just do nothing. I think this is my this is who I am. I need to do something. I need to work out with my body. But I'm not pushing that hard that I used to before. I'm listening to my body. So I've been resting whole day. I was eating, resting, reading something, and then I felt full. Like now I'm fully rested. Now I can do some running. So when you feel better every day, there is a more possibility that we can have a happy life. And the basic for the happy life, I think it's a lot about health. The health, in a sense, physical health, emotional health, mental health, and some people even say spiritual health. When all these aspects are met, then we can feel completely happy, I think. And what can we do every day? I think the only thing we can do, we do a little bit of everything, a little bit of one thing at a time, and then I think we can make a condition to have a happy life. So enjoy your evening. Look at the sunset if you can, and think about what you can be grateful about. Think about 3 things. Then I think just thinking about the things that you are grateful makes you feel happy as well. That is all for now, and I wish you a nice evening. Good night. Bye.